Welcome back to Hoochos, the cheapest hydroponic nutrient. Now, this is a video that I've been trying to work my head around how I was going to approach this topic, and it really depends on your location. Some nutrients are only made in Australia, some are worldwide, and it varies as to the availability of nutrients in your location. So the way that I'm going to structure this video is it's going to be in two parts. The first part is collecting information. So I know there's a lot of professional growers that watch this channel. And if you have information on cheap hydroponic nutrients in bulk in your area, I'd encourage you to head over to the Hoochos subreddit, where I've set up a thread that you can add in information on water soluble fertigation or hydroponic fertilizers that are budget friendly, and the information around those fertilizers. So include information like the cost per kilogram, the analysis, as well as websites and distribution centers where they can be found. So if you're watching this and you have some expertise or even just know of cheap fertilizers in your location, head over to my Reddit page, links in the description, and add in your fertilizers. Now, the thing that prompted me to make this video was my hydroponic fertilizer is a 10 kilogram, 6 kilogram nutrient, 4 kilogram cal hydroponic nutrient made by Manutech. It costs me about $95. I have to special order it from Bunnings. It's off range, which means that there's no product number in their system. They have to call the manufacturer and ask for the product's price and then have it sent out to the Bunnings. Now, this actually makes it extremely available across Australia. So if you have a hard time sourcing fertilizer in your area, if you have a Bunnings, you can get this nutrient. However, a viewer of mine recently, actually as recently as yesterday, pointed out that even though I was claiming it was the cheapest hydroponic nutrient I could find in my video, it's not the cheapest hydroponic nutrient. It's just the one that was cheapest available to me. So they said to look for a brand called Campbell's Diamond White. I couldn't find the Campbell's Diamond White. I could only find Campbell's Diamond Blue, which is very similar in analysis. And it is 75 Australian dollars per bag. Now, it's not complete. It's the nutrient part of the nutrients and Cal Night or Cal Max that would go into a balanced fertilizer. So part two is the Nitro Cal, which is 25 kilos as well. However, the Nitro Cal only costs $25. So all up, it's the same price, $100 for 25 and 25 that it costs me for 10 of the nutrient. So you're looking at a cost per kilogram of about $2 a kilo rather than $9.50 a kilo, even though you're going to have some calcium left over. So it's slightly off that ratio, but it's a lot cheaper. I haven't tried this Campbell's nutrient, so I'm going to start using it in my system and find out whether it's as good as the nutrient that I've been using, or better, and we'll see how that goes. So if you're interested in finding out the cheapest nutrient for your area, head over to the Hoocho subreddit. There'll be comments on that post. I'll sticky it so that it's at the top of the Reddit page and available for you to see. And I'll be doing a follow-up to this video when I have enough information to cover locations around the world in geographic regions and the hydroponic nutrients that are cheapest for the people in those locations. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy hydroponicking.